Hi everyone. In this video, we will demo autonomous service desk agents, advanced reasoning, and multi-action capabilities. I will ask the agent to install VLC player on my machine, which we have set to require approval on our device management system. The agent will use directory services to identify and contact my line manager for approval before executing the request. Okay, let's do this. Let's call the agent.
Hello, welcome to the service desk. How can I assist you today?
Hi, can you please install VLC player on my machine?
Sure, please let me know the reason so I can add it to the request.
I need VLC player to review media files for my daily work.
Thanks. I asked your team lead, Goran Jakovljevic, for approval. I will let you know once I've received a response. I've created a ticket for reference. I'll send you the ID in a message. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye. Okay, let's switch to Goran's screen now to view the agent's message.
Okay, let's approve this.
All right. The agent texted that the installation has been approved. Let's refresh our desktop to view VLC. Might need to do this a few times. Might take up to 2 minutes. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching.